Cryptocurrency scams take many forms. Just as financial criminals will try to steal money from your bank account or put fraudulent charges on your credit card, crypto scammers will do anything to take your crypto. In today's video, we are going to talk about the best place to lock your crypto. Within the DeFi ecosystem, rug pulls are predominantly associated with decentralized exchanges DEX like SushiSwaps and Uniswaps. In these places, fraudulent token creators can create fake token for free without any verifications or audits. Subsequently, these scammers pair the fake token with a prominent coin like Ethereum to establish a liquidity pool. These scammers bide their time until investors exchange a substantial portion of their Ethereum for the new token, after which they deplete the DEX pool. This depletion causes tokens value to plummet to zero. Tracing exit scams and DeFi rug pulls is nearly impossible due to decentralization, anonymous and regulated nature of cryptocurrency space. However, preventative measures in the DeFi ecosystem can involve the use of liquidity lockers. These lockers enable project developers to publicly secure liquidity, offering a safeguard against such scams. Unicrypt, which rebranded UNCX Network, is currently the most used liquidity locker in Uniswap and PancakeSwap version 2 and other AMMs, with over 3,000 Unicrypt lockers in use holding approximately 80 million liquidity. On Uniswap, investors can seamlessly browse through all local liquidity pools and access crucial details about the liquidity pool, such as termination date and total funds locked, to be able to make a sound investment decision. DeFi Yield Protocol is a decentralized finance network that offers a suite of tools and services. The DYP lockers allow developers to lock liquidity across several AMMs, including SushiSwap, Balancer, Uniswap, and PancakeSwap. DXLock from DXSale is a DeFi platform that provides liquidity lockers for crypto projects, offering various lockers to secure funds for specified periods. This enhances transparency and trust, preventing exit scams and rug pulls in the DeFi ecosystem, boosting investor confidence. DXSale's latest DXLock features offer cost-effective benefits such as paying locker with a fee 1% liquidity pool tokens and extending the lock period at 0.5% of locked tokens. Users can withdraw reward token with only 1% fee and easily transfer locker ownership, streamlining DeFi liquidity management. DXLock is a platform offer a user-friendly and cost-effective solution for securing liquidity in DeFi, making it valuable assets in the space. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next video.